Welcome, guys. This is KOK Party Favors. I am sharing with you guys some nice bargains I got today at Walmart. Um, we're going to start here with my beautiful red uh, parrots. These are 24 and a half inches and they are $6.75. I got six of them. And I got to find some place to store these babies for next year. Some I might use for Mother's Day. This will be my first time doing baskets, so I've got everything that I need. Let's see what else. All these little animals, that's an octopus, a little monkey, and unicorn. These were $1.49 with the cup. Okay. And here's some over here. Okay. And let's see what else I have here. Um, this Woodstock. This is I think a Charlie Brown character. It was $3.74 on sale. Okay, these little dinosaurs were $1.87, and they have a little heart shaped pillow. You're roarsome. Okay, so they were $1.87, and I'm gonna go to my other receipt here. And I had several ladies that saw my cart filled up and they said, "Oh my God, where'd you get all that from?" And I told them it's in the front. It's in the front. By that time, I had pretty much cleared out everything. I said, "It's just a few things left." But they said that Saturday they had all of those boxes just loaded. So wherever you see red boxes, those are the ones that have the Valentine Day markdowns in them. And on the box it has 50% off, but once you get to the register, it's going to be, I think everything is ringing at 75% off. um so you're going to get a good deal. Okay, so let's see some of these other characters. This little sloth here, I got a couple of them. If I decide to use them for Mother's Day, I'll probably take the little heart bow off of there and replace it with something else. This one was $2.50, and it's pretty big, guys. I'm gonna lift it up here and let you guys see. See, he's pretty big. He's a big baby. Okay. All right. And let's see what else I have on here. Um, let's see, where's that little 10-inch? Oh, this here. Yeah, this little pretty one. This was $1.87. It's a little cute one there. And let's see what else. Okay, this little dog here was $2.50. And you see he has a nice size on him too. Let's set him up next to the parrot. He's about as tall as the parrot, so about 25 inches. I was able to find two of those dogs. I was really looking for a lot of those dogs and teddy bears. Um, but I was able to find two dogs and no teddy bears. But I was still happy with everything I got. Okay, let's see here. This is the red little kiss bear. Let's see, where is he at? Well, if I find him later, I'll show him to you. He was just 87 cents. Let's see. I got so much stuff. Uh, Here he is. He's just a little bitty. He's just a little bitty baby. He's cute. He was just 87 cents. And the one that had the strawberry smell, he was 87 cents. And then these big babies here, these were $3.75, and they are really tall. Let me see if they have the dimensions on here. No, they don't have the dimensions in the description. Okay, they said 36 inch. He's 36 inch and he was $3.75. I was pretty much able to find 2 or more of most of these big ones. Okay, so let's see what else I have here. And my daughter is going to go to another store tonight when she gets off work to see what kind of variety they have. I live in Memphis, and when I got off work, I went to West Memphis, Arkansas, which is not far from Memphis, about maybe 15 to 20 miles. So I went there, and that was where I found all these nice items at. And excuse all this, I'm decorating for my daughter's birthday this weekend, so I got stuff all over the place. Let's see if there was anything else in here. Oh, I want to show you guys these containers that I got from Dollar Tree. They're huge, guys. They have this container in the small size and the large size. So I figured, well, since I'm going to spend $1.25, I might as well get the biggest one. So I'm going to go back and stock up on these because these are some of the biggest ones that they have. And it has like 2 handles on the side. It's really nice. And I was able to also find some things for a Mother's Day, for our Mother's Day basket. This is a hand wash and some facial cleansers with coconut and watermelon. So I was able to find that to go in the bag. I also ordered, they had a good sale on Bath and Body Works. They had the large 8-ounce lotions, the body mist, and not the shampoo, the body cream, body lotion, the shower gel. They had all that for $5.75. So I stocked up on that. I'm gonna put those in my Mother's Day baskets. They have another sale going on. I think you buy 3 now, get 3 free. They also have free shipping, so I went ahead and took advantage of that. So I'll be adding some name brand items into my basket. So when that comes, I'll put that on as well. And I think this little hedgehog here, I don't see him on my receipt, but he was cheap too. I think he was probably maybe $2 or $1 and something. But they really did have some really, really nice stuff. And I love this parrot. He is, I mean, just a bright red with a long tail. I'll show you the back of him. He's really, really cute. The regular price was $27 and he was just $6 and what, 75 cents? So I really did good, guys. You can still go and find some items. I suggest checking more than one store. I was in that one Walmart for so long, I just decided, hey, I got 2 carts filled with stuff. It's time for me to get out of here. But I did enlist the help of my daughter. Now these big slots here, I got some different kinds. This here's a big one that sits up. He is really, really big. He's really big. He was $6.95 too. No, $6.75. He was $6.75 with the parrot. And then the little slot here, the little one, he was let me see what the little one was. I'll go to my other receipt here. Okay, the little slot that's on his stomach, he was $2.50. So this one here is $2.50, and he's 25 inches. And I hope you enjoyed my Walmart haul. And oh, this is another thing I got too. I got some of those really large plastic bags and the ribbons. These bags are 30 by 44. I may end up having to get some larger bags. It all depends on how I assemble my really large babies. So I may have to get some more just to be safe. I'll get some larger ones. Make sure everything fits. Okay, guys, that's it for my little Walmart haul. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.